Hello, my dear students. I hope you are doing well. I'm your teacher Bilal Ahmed. Today was Thursday, 26 November 2020. Okay, today we started the new lesson from Unit 1B, Baking Biscuits, page number 28. In this unit, in this lesson, we'll learn about how do we compare the weight. When we compare weight, we need scales, and there are two types of scales, okay, the analog and digital. So here are the important words you have to memorize and write on the notebooks. The first one is weight, kilograms, grams, and scales. So there are two units of weight. When we compare weight, we use units, okay? Sorry, when we compare weight, we use two units, kilograms and grams, okay? In the short form, kilogram is kg, and when we write grams, g. And keep in mind there are 1000 grams in 1 kilograms. Okay, 1 kilogram have 1000 grams. So in the last previous class we learned that when we compare length we use meters and centimeters. But when we compare weight we use kilograms and grams. So in 1 kilograms there are 1000 grams. So here are we have two different types of scales. They work same, but this is the analog scale, okay, and this is the digital. The difference between analog and digital, in analog you can find a round circle and you can find the hands, okay, the dial. But here in digital scale you can find a screen and a number on it, okay, the screen have number on it. So this is round shape and this is have screen with numbers. So analog and digital. We also read the scales. Okay, so in this scale we have three different types of analog scales. The first scale we have ice cream, and check that is the scale is gram or kilogram. So this scale about grams. So it has 200 grams scale, 200 gram of ice cream. What is the weight of the unicorn? It's in kg, so you will say 1 kilogram. Look at the football. The football weight is 400 gram. Now look at the watermelon, carrots and sweets. So here we have kilograms. So the watermelon is 4 kilogram. The carrots are 600 grams and the sweets are 2 kilograms. So keep in mind when the items or object heavy we use kilograms, and when the objects and the items are light so you have to use grams. So just memorize this table, okay? In 1 kilograms we have 1000 grams. 2 kilograms we have 2000 grams. In 5 kilograms we have 5000 grams. When we have 10 kilograms we can say 10,000 grams. Okay, 1000 grams mean 1 kilogram. Okay, it will be opposite from the first one. 7000 grams, it will be 7 kilogram. You have to keep in mind 30, okay? So you have to memorize this table. Okay, after we discussed about heavy and light objects, so we have school bus, paper clip, book, boy, computer, cup, toothbrush, and toy train. So you have to choose a unit. Do you choose gram or kilogram? So first we have the school bus. You know the school bus is heavy item, so you're gonna use kilogram. The paper clip is light object, so you're gonna use grams. Look at the book. The book can be heavy, okay? So it will be kilograms. The boy is also heavy, kilograms. Computer in kilograms. Cup, we have one cup. It's mean you will choose a unit for gram. Look at the toothbrush, it's light object, you have to use gram. Look at the toy train, okay, it's not a real train, it's a toy train, so you have to use gram. So here we have different more objects. So the carrot is 18 grams, 4 kilograms or 8 kilograms. So you have to choose the best unit, okay? What do you think, the carrot is heavy or light? If the carrot is light, you have to choose grams. So it can be 18 grams, not 4 kilograms and 8 kilograms. Look at this cat. It can be 570 grams or 7 kilograms or 37 kilograms. So you know the cat is heavy object, the heavy item. So you have to choose kilogram. It can be 7, it can be 37. Okay, you have to estimate. You know the frog is small and it can be in grams. So you can say 3 kilograms. Okay, you have to estimate. If the frog is bigger, so you have to choose kilogram. If the frog is small, you can say 300 grams. But you can't say this 3 grams like a paper, 3 papers. So you have to choose this, and you have to choose gram or kilogram. We have the ice cream, it can be 250 grams. It's hammer, the metal is heavy, so you have to choose kilograms. A boy is 20 kilogram, and alarm, the clock is light object, so you have to choose grams. So in this way you have to finish this exercise and try to memorize this table. Okay, so this is the homework. You have to convert kilograms to grams, and here grams to kilograms. Okay, mean 1 kilogram is equal to 1000, and 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So this is the today's homework. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.